Custom Building Products has the right grout in the right color for any job in any environment. Custom's innovative grout solutions, born of decades of experience and technological advancements, have made us the tile installation industry leader. The world's first polymer-modified cement grout, lightweight epoxy grout, revolutionary single-component grout, each a category-defining custom breakthrough. And now we're introducing 8 new designer-inspired colors. At Custom, exceeding ANSI standards, adhering to TCNA recommendations, and partnering with contractors on best practices is how we roll. All formulas are developed with advanced product technology that creates practical solutions for the field. From the most challenging exteriors to the subtlest interiors, Custom protects every tile assembly with high-performance grout for beauty and durability. Today, more than ever, color is a touchstone of modern architecture. With that in mind, Custom works with top designers and consultants to continually refresh our grout palette. These 40 colors reflect modern tastes and trends, with 8 new shades that complement boldly patterned tile and classic natural stone. When the grout needs to be guaranteed stain-proof and color-perfect, choose Fusion Pro, the original and unsurpassed single-component grout. Fusion Pro is a creamy, ready-to-use grout that never needs to be mixed or sealed. Proven on commercial projects of all sizes, Fusion Pro has created an entirely new product category. It's truly in a class by itself. Prism Ultimate Performance Cement Grout is the go-to grout for nearly any job. A longtime contractor favorite, lightweight Prism offers a full spectrum of benefits. Prism delivers superior handling without shading or efflorescence and does not require sealer. Want to eliminate callbacks? Choose Prism. North America's #1 grout just got better. Introducing Poly Blend Plus for higher performance on the job, with more vivid color and less efflorescence in both sanded and non-sanded options. Where site conditions are tough on tile and grout, specify CEG Light or CEG IG commercial and industrial grade epoxy grouts. They're designed for harsh environments with high resistance to chemicals and stains, yet are easier to apply and clean than traditional epoxy grouts. Custom grouts can contribute to LEED certification, qualify for up to a lifetime warranty, and deliver our signature easy installation and cleanup. Plus seamlessly honor movement joints and designers' visions with perfectly matched flexible silicone sealant and caulk in all 40 colors. That's 40 good reasons to count on Custom. It's the right grout in the right color for any job.